গুড মর্নিং। আমি একটা প্রবলেমের কথা রিজনিং এর বলছি, এটা শোনো ভালো করে। এ বি সি ডি ই and F are seated in a circle facing the center. A and C are seated adjacent to each other, and E and B are also seated adjacent to each other. B is to the immediate left of F. There are two persons between D and E. A is not seated adjacent to E. এটা I shall discuss these topics later on. Before that, I want to say an important notice. Please listen carefully. Some of the organizations, private organizations, are giving notification that the result of SBI clerical will be published shortly, and they said at first that it will be published in the first week of June. In the meantime, 10 days are going to complete. So, how it is authentic? I met an expert of SBI. He told that the result will be published only when the authority of SBI will reveal. Nobody can say. This is most important. But most of the private organizations are giving this type of remark, as are spreading rumor. It is completely wrong. As an expert of bank, I can say this. Thank you.